Hello YouTube, this is your Metro Detroit Real Fanner, back here again with another video. It's another Plymouth, Michigan train, this time at night. So, yeah, see, it looks way better at night. So let's see this one. Oh, God, stop honking your horn, people. And shut up already. That was a little short, but I'll take it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you guys have not already. And I'll see you guys later in the next video. See you later, sorcery people of Zeta's sorcery schemes. I'm out of here.